Let's do an easy Halloween school makeup. All you're gonna need is some black eyeliner, or you can use black eyeshadow or black face paint. I'm starting off with the pencil eyeliner to draw out my shape. At the front of your brow, you wanna bring it up here like that, then just follow along your brow. But when you get to the end of your brow here, you just want to bring it around like that. You're just gonna come straight down and curve it around. I hope I'm explaining this okay. Down and around. And then we're just gonna join up this part here. Then do the exact same on the other eye. So bring the front of the brow up, along the brow, down, curve, straight down and curve. Join it up. Any mistakes, just clean it up with an earbud. And now you want to create shadow. So that's why I use the pencil eyeliner, because it's a lot more creamy, so it's easy to blend. Thicken up the line a little bit. Then take my eyeshadow brush and start blending inwards. So you can see it's not very dark there. I'm going to go back in and add more. Add and blend. The exact same on this eye. Now for the mouth, you want to go under your cheekbone. Under and over. Under and over. And put like a C here. Now I'm going to start blending it out. Here's how it's looking. Now for the nose, I want to do a little triangle right here, and then 2 little spikes on top. 1, 2. Fill in the spike, leave this part. Now I'm going to switch to my liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to use this to do the mouth lines. Here, down the center of our lip, down and here. Keep making more lines going across here. Now I'm going to go over all my lines with that black liquid eyeliner. Along that line, and then the C here, along the edges. Here's how it's looking, and then you can finish off with some highlighter. So put a bit on the nose and on the eyelids. Just pack it on. This is the end result. How easy was that? And you don't have to do it in black, you can do it in any color you want. Simple, easy Halloween school makeup. Would you try it? Thanks for watching.